Greetings and welcome back to PinballHelp. Mike here, and work continues on this Gottlieb Waterworld. This is the second part of my flipper rebuild video, and I have the right flipper built and put into place. So I thought I would show you the finished product here. Let's zoom in on this puppy, and you can see I redid all the wiring. I used heat shrink tubing and ran some new wire here, and then I also used a few cable ties to tie it to the wiring harness, and I'll make this a little bit neater in a minute. I'm going to test it to make sure it works fine. I replaced everything. The coil sleeve was the wrong way around in the assembly, and the spring was on the wrong side too, so I fixed that, and it's all put back together. New end of stroke switch, new plunger, new articulating thing, new coil stop, new base bracket. I ended up using this upper coil stop thing here, which I probably would have hammered that a little bit more at a right angle. I don't know if it's like that's intended to be slightly bent out, but I think that's one of the things that happens with these Gottliebs. This upper stop here tends to get bent out, and it allows the flippers to go up higher, and they almost look abnormally high when they're up. Or no, maybe it's the other way around. Yeah, after they get adjusted, they end up going up higher because there's more travel in the plunger. I don't know if I like this design, because that's what happens over time as this thing fatigues. There's more play in it. But anyway, it's a whole new rebuilt flipper, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and slowly kind of work my way back into getting the game operational. So that's it for right now. I'll show you a video of the gameplay probably in another installment, maybe the next installment. So for more, visit pinballhelp.com. And as always, thanks for watching, and hopefully this will work a lot better.